Xi'an got 8,000 terracotta warriors, but guess what I found hiding between dumplings and noodles? A Pakistani restaurant that is wild. And inside what? A guy who did not just meet me, he roasted Imran Khan with jokes so spicy.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सुनो व्यूवर्स, सबसे पहले बगैर सोचे इस बंदे को सब्सक्राइब करें और
This legend did not just do impressions, he turned Pakistani's ex-PM into comedy gold. His jokes, they are illegally funny. Stick around if you wanna see delicious chicken masala and beef pulao. You will forget you are in China. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog.
Okay.
In this vlog we have come to a Pakistani restaurant in Xi'an city. So I will show you how the Pakistani restaurant in Xi'an looks like. We have met with some Pakistani people here as well, and I will show you the food as well. And at the end of the video I will give you my honest review about the food as well. So stay tuned. तो हमारे पास एक पाकिस्तानी भाई आए हैं जो कि यहाँ पे पहले से खाना खा रहे थे. इनसे पूछते हैं कि इनको ये रेस्टोरेंट कैसा लगा है और ये कुछ शेयर भी करना चाहते हैं, तो इनसे मिलते हैं. जी ब्रदर, क्या नाम है आपका?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम अब्दुल्ला है। चूँकि मैं पुश्तो स्पीकर हूँ, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट पहली मरतबा मेरा इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है उर्दू स्पीकर से। वेरी नाइस टू मीट यू।
थैंक यू, सेम हेयर।
बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों के साथ कैमरा था, और यही कैमरा था जिसने मुझे अट्रैक्ट कर दिया।
अच्छा ज़बरदस्त।
और देखने वालों, मैं आप लोगों से स्पेशल आवाज़ में स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ इसके उसके लिए।
सॉरी।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सुनो व्यूवर्स, सबसे पहले बगैर सोचे इस बंदे को सब्सक्राइब करें और सुनो मेरी बात, अगर आपने इस बंदे को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मैं कभी जेल से नहीं निकलूंगा। और ये मेरा आपके साथ वादा है कि ये बंदा इसी तरह की कंटेंट्स बनाता रहेगा इंशाल्लाह।
तो और बाकी आपने बात की टेस्ट की, तो बीच में लाइन मानी रही। सुनो मेरी बात, ये जो मसाला रेस्टोरेंट इधर बना है, ये बहुत ही इट्स लाइक ग्रेवी आर्ट ऑफ चिकन्स एंड दिस न्यूरोस को शेख रशीद साहब कहेंगे। हाँ, मैं बड़ा फरमीद हूँ माशाल्लाह। खान साहब ने इधर ये टेस्ट लेके आया है, काफ़ी डिलीशियस है। मैं बड़ा उम्मीद हूँ इंशाल्लाह जिस दिन खान साहब रहा होंगे तो हम इधर आके ही हम खा लेंगे। Thank you so much.
बहुत अमेजिंग, माशाल्लाह।
Very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
One eternity later.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, guys. So now our food has arrived. So I will introduce you my Pakistani friend. His name is Fawad, and he will also introduce himself.
Yeah, boy.
So Fawad bhai, please introduce yourself to my audience.
Assalamu alaikum to all. We are here in Pakistani restaurant, Masala restaurant. It's been the first time we have arrived at the Pakistani restaurant in China. So I'm looking at the Pakistani food. It feels like a home because we have been craving for this food in China.
Yeah.
So let's hope for the best. We are about to start our dinner.
So from the look, how it feels.
Nice.
It looks delicious from the...
really delicious. Seems to be really delicious.
Yeah.
But still, we have to check what quality does it have.
So how do you like the environment of this restaurant?
Stop it. The environment is quite good. Seems to be very decorated. The music is quite good.
Yeah.
Seems to be a Pashto speaker
Restaurant. Yeah.
Song, but in China it feels very, very different.
So here are some Chinese who are also here who are eating food. So now we have ordered chicken masala, right?
Exactly.
Chicken masala. This one is the mint sauce, and this one is the Afghani pulao.
Right. Afghani
I
pulao.
think beef pulao.
Beef pulao. Afghani
Yeah,
beef pulao.
this is beef pulao, and we have ordered some plain naan and some chapati with it, and now we will try it and see how is it. But for the first impression, it looks really great. So in foreign country, it's really rare that you find your food available, and it's hard to find a restaurant that meets your taste buds, right? So he has taken some chicken and he will try it with some naan. So let's see how is it.
Current segment on our show called Explain That Gram, where we do a deep dive.
Honest review for all, honest review. Hanhao. Okay, let's try it together. Okay, so now I will also taste the chicken and see how is it.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
It was simple chicken tikka, chicken masala, right?
Exactly.
Look at the naan. It's really looks really good. And I think it's only naan. Where is chapati? Only naan, right? Let's try. Look at the sesame. Well, the taste is good. I did not expect it because last time when I ate from other restaurants, it was not that good. It's good, but for me the salt is little low. How do you think?
Exactly.
Maybe we can add more salt. Is this salt? Add some more. Why the chapati is also come? So we'll try this with chapati as well. Actually, me and Fuad Bhai has same school of thoughts. We want to enjoy and explore things, but the problem is our school is a bit far from the main city. So if it was near, believe me, we will come here daily and try and different things. And our scholarship would not be enough to support that. Because we eat a lot outside.
Also, we are not very much fond of cooking with our own selves.
Considering the quantity and price, as I have been to some other Pakistani Indian restaurant, I think price and quantity and taste overall is good. Bobby, what do you think? You have been to Amber Palace.
Yes, I have been to Amber Palace.
How was Amber Palace?
The taste of Amber Palace was not as much good as it is right
It's better
now.
than that.
Exactly. The overall presentation of Amber Palace was also good, but the taste, as far as the taste is concerned, it's good of this restaurant. I would recommend that you should also come here for food. Have you ever tried Pakistani food other than Xi'an? Like in China?
In China?
Yes, in China, or other than Xi'an.
No. I have tried some Chinese food in other cities.
Okay. Like what type of food?
I went to Cafe,
Okay.
a city in Anhui province.
Okay.
I traveled there and
Okay.
there I tried some Chinese food and it was good. I like Chinese food as well. I like Neuromian, beef noodles, it's really good. You can check my other videos on my channel. I have reviewed Chinese food as well.
What about Jaffa? Have you tried Jaffa also?
Yeah.
What we have tried Jaffa? Like I only had biryani. That's it. Anything else? Right?
So the Fawad Bhai asking that if you went to Jaffa restaurant. So I went to Jaffa restaurant and the video is also available on YouTube channel, and he asking me about my opinion. So if you want to eat biryani, it's good because it's South Indian food there mostly, not North Indian. North Indian food typically aligns with the Pakistani food. So South Indian food includes dosa and some other things. So I tried masala dosa there also along with the biryani. It was very spicy, very spicy. So if you want to try biryani there, it's good. The platter of the biryani is good and the price is also reasonable. So Fawad bhai, how is your experience up till now here in China? How long have you been here?
I have been here for the last almost 6 months.
Okay.
The overall experience is quite good. I have traveled from Xi'an to Chengdu and I was going to Pakistan, and then from Chengdu to back to Xi'an. The fast line in China is very much good. I have traveled through Xi'an to Chengdu when I was going to Pakistan last year through fast train. It was really good. I went to Chengdu and stayed over there for one night. The only thing
So you have been to Chengdu.
Yes.
How is life at Chengdu?
Chengdu level is quite different from Xi'an. It's quite fast. The overall scenic views are quite good. It is famous for their pandas and also their tourist activities.
Okay.
The overall experience in China, especially in Chengdu, is quite good. Quite good. So I have also been to Beijing, but no, for Beijing I went for a few hours only when I was coming from Pakistan last year. Rather, you have been coming through Kashgar. So how was Kashgar? And all?
Kashgar is really amazing, really amazing. It's very lively as compared to other cities of China, and there is extremely cultural city, I would say. There are a lot of cultural heritage available there, and you can see traditional buildings, old buildings that has to be in China. It's like it's 2 hours flight from Islamabad, and it was a really good experience. I went to the streets. They were narrow and dense streets, hugely crowded, and the people are really good and friendly. So yeah, they are very lively and friendly. So it was a great experience staying one night in Kashgar. The weather and the things were really amazing. So now I'm going to try the beef pulao as well.
Also good.
Very nice.
Mashallah.
And how to really good. The beef is really tender, the meat is really tender, and the taste is really good. I like it. So guys, whenever the meat and beef is concerned, especially for me, it should be boiled properly, otherwise I don't like it. Maybe Fawad bhai has some different preference, but my preference is whenever you chew it, it should just dissolve and diffuse in your mouth, and you don't have to put so much efforts to chew it. So it's exactly the same. It's a good. So I had no idea about this restaurant before. So because of Fawad bhai, he took us to a good place. Last time when I went to Delhi Darbar, I saw that there are a lot of Chinese people as well, and it was to my surprise that why Chinese people are so much interested in Asian cuisine, in our Indian and Pakistani cuisine. But here, to my surprise, the taste is, I think, better. But there are no Chinese, only 1 or 2, and they just went away. Maybe they are sitting outside.
And also it's a new restaurant. They also get it.
Maybe people don't know much about it.
But now they will know after a vlog.
भाई यहाँ पे मेडिकल कर चुके हैं?
हाँ, मैं चाइना में हूँ और मेडिकल का स्टूडेंट हूँ।
अच्छा,
और वैसे बस इधर आता रहता हूँ। इधर की जो टेस्ट है इट्स रियली अमेजिंग। बस वही है, मैं अगर ये कह दूँ कि पाकिस्तान से अच्छा टेस्ट है तो ये थोड़ा सा मुनासिब नहीं होगा, लेकिन बिल्कुल उसको तोड़ने के लिए बिल्कुल वो प्रोफेशनल लेवल का काम है।
तो ये भाई के कुछ कैमरा वगैरह भी हैं, लगता है हमारी तरह ये शौकीन है। तो भाई आप क्या ये कैमरा से क्या आप ब्लॉगिंग करते हैं, क्या करते हैं? थोड़ा बताइए।
मैं चूँकि पश्तो में एक शेर है कि मैं हसास ज़मीर का मालिक हूँ और छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मुझे रुला देती है। वैसे मैं कहता हूँ कि ये जो कायनात है ये किसी की क्रिएशन है। वो क्या उस बंदे का नाम मैं थोड़ा सा भूल गया, वो शेक्सपियर कहता है कि आई सी गॉड इन द फ्लावर, लेकिन मैं लोगों को नहीं बता सकता कि वेयर इज़ द गॉड। तो बस ये जो कायनात है ये बहुत खूबसूरत है और मेरे ख्याल से ये कैमरा एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आप इस चीज़ पे मजबूर कर देते हैं कि भाई एक चीज़ पे कंसंट्रेशन करो, इसको जूम करो, इसको एडिट करवा दो, इस पे सोचो। तो मुझे जो प्यार है कैमरे से उसकी एक ही रीज़न ये है कि मैं कायनात को ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ, इसको एंजॉय करता हूँ और इसी वजह से सारा टाइम 24/7 मैं कहूँगा कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है ये कैमरा। ये मेरे साथ ही रहती है।
ओके। टॉप मतलब नंबर 1 वाली गर्लफ्रेंड है, बाकी और
हाँ।
चले बहुत अच्छा लगा सर आपसे मिलकर, और आपकी टैलेंट बहुत ज़बरदस्त था कि आप पैरोडी बड़ी अच्छी करते हैं।
थैंक यू।
वेरी नाइस टू मीट यू।
वेरी नाइस टू मीट यू।
इफ एनीथिंग वी कैन ऑफर यू लाइक कप ऑफ टी और समथिंग, इट विल बी आवर प्लेयर।
वो तो कैमरे के पीछे हम पिएंगे।
ठीक है।
आप जिस टाइम बिल अदा करो ना,
ठीक है।
पे करो उसी दिन
ओके 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 डन हो गया थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू अल्लाह हाफिज़ Okay guys, so overall it was a really good experience. The ambience is really good and the food is also very good. So my rating out of 10 is 9 out of 10. Really good environment and really good taste. So if you want to enjoy the similar videos, I have attached the link of other videos of the Indian and Pakistani restaurant in Xi'an. So you can just visit there and you can enjoy the food reviews. So I will end my vlog here. If you watched till here, thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.